Why compliment feels like magic. Stop for a second. Why does one simple "you did well" stay in your mind all day? Hi, my name is Philip Ikeli. Before we go deep, rate this video from 1 to 10. Be honest, your number matters. Now let's talk. Imagine this: you work hard on something, nobody says anything, you go home tired, unsure. Then one person looks at you and says, "I like how you handled that." Suddenly, your chest feels light, your energy rises, you want to do more. That feeling is not random, it is chemistry. Inside your brain, there is something called dopamine. Dopamine is a reward signal. It tells you, this is good, do this again. So when someone gives you a real compliment, your brain relaxes and it releases dopamine. Your brain starts to connect two things at the same time: effort and reward. That is why compliments feel very powerful. But here is the deeper truth most people miss. It's not just about the words, it's about validation. Validation actually means I see you. What you did matters. Humans are wired for this. From childhood, we learn through feedback, a smile, a nod, a good job compliment. Without it, the mind starts to doubt itself. With it, the mind becomes stronger. So when you compliment someone, you are not just being nice. You are shaping their behavior. You are literally training their brain. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Not all compliments work the same. Fake compliments feel empty. Your brain can tell. But specific compliments, those hit deep. Instead of saying you are good, say, I like how you stay calm when things got tough. Now the brain understands exactly what to repeat. This is where compliments become powerful. And it is a powerful tool, not just words. So here is your first simple tool. The 3 method to compliment. Step 1 is for you to be honest. Say only what you truly mean, no exaggeration. Step 2, be specific, don't generalize. Point to one clear action that has been done. Step 3, tie it to an effort. Focus on what they did, not just who they are. For example, I respect how you kept trying even when it was difficult. Now you are not just praising, you are building a mindset. And something quiet but very powerful start to happen. People feel safe around you because around you they are seen, and when people feel seen, they open up. That is the beginning of real connection. How to use compliments to build strong bond. Now that you understand why compliments releases dopamine, let's talk about how to use them the right way. Compliments don't just make people feel good, they create trust. And trust builds strong relationship. Think about this. Who do you naturally feel close to? The person who ignores you or the person who notices the little things you do? Exactly. Attention is value, and a compliment is focused attention. But here is the mistake anybody can actually make. They only compliment big things, big successes, big wins, big moments. But the brain doesn't grow from big moments alone. It grows from small and repeated signals. So if you want to truly connect with someone, you must learn to notice small things. The quiet effort, the hidden struggles, the improvements nobody talks about. That is where real bonding happens. Let me show you a simple system you can start using today. The daily compliments habit. I will give you 3. Every day, give 3 real compliments. But follow this pattern to do that. Number 1 for effort. I saw how much work you put into that. That is communicating the effort the person has put into whatsoever he or she has done. Number 2, 1 for character. I like how patient you are with people. You are complimenting someone's character. Number 3, 1 for progress. You are getting better at this. That is it. Just 3 simple moments. But here is what happens over time. People begin to associate you with positive feeling. Their brain link your presence with dopamine. And without forcing anything, they start to trust you more and more. Listen to you more and more. Respect you more. This is influence, not manipulation. Real influence comes from making people feel valued, not controlled. But there is one final layer most people never reach. Self-compliment. Yes, you heard me right. Self-compliment. If compliment releases dopamine, then what happens when you give it to yourself? You build inner confidence. You stop depending fully on others. You become stable. And here is what your final tools will be. The mirror method. At the end of each day, say 1 true compliment to yourself. Not fake, not forced. Something simple. I handled that better today. I didn't give up. I am improving. At first, it may feel strange, but over time, your brain starts to believe it. And when your mind begins to support you, everything changes. Now, listen carefully. A simple compliment may feel small, but repeated over time, it can change how a person sees themselves. So choose your words carefully, because you are not just speaking, you are shaping someone's mind, and maybe even your own. If no one has told you this before, you are trying. If no one has told you this today, you are trying, and that matters a lot more than you think. Do go to subscribe to this channel, like, and comment in the comment section. I am doing great. I am doing better than before. Thank you.